How to download the My NDIS app on your iPhone. This video is a step-by-step guide to download the My NDIS app on your iPhone. To tell if your phone is an iPhone, check the back of the phone for an Apple symbol. If your phone has another brand name, such as Samsung or LG, then the phone is an Android phone. Before downloading the My NDIS app, make sure the iPhone has enough battery power and storage space. If your iPhone does not have enough storage space, your iPhone will prompt you to free up storage space to download the app. The My NDIS app works best when using the most recent version of the phone's operating software. You will need to check that the iPhone has the most recent version of software. To check this, open the Settings app and select General. Once in the General screen, select Software Update. Once in the Software Update screen, it may ask you to update the software or tell you that your software is up to date. When you have the most recent software version, your iPhone is ready for the app to be installed. There are 4 simple steps to download the app. Step 1. Locate and open the App Store on your iPhone home screen. Step 2. Search for the My NDIS app. Type in My NDIS in the search bar of the App Store and look for the My NDIS app in the results. Step 3. Download the app. Select Get next to the app. It may ask for a password, thumbprint, or Face ID verification. After successful verification, the app will start downloading. Step 4. Start using your app. When the app is installed, an Open button will appear and the My NDIS app is ready for use. To learn how to sign into the app, watch the How to Sign into the My NDIS app video. If you need help downloading the My NDIS app onto your iPhone, ask someone for help or contact the NDIS on 1800 800 110.